25,000. In March 20, it will become 27,500, and the increment is 25. So therefore, what I have done for first 11 months, April, February, 25,000 into 11, that is 2,75,000. March it has become 27,500. That is 25,000 plus 25 for a period of 1 month. So total basic is 3,02,500. Dearness allowance as given in the question is how much? 15% of dearness allowance, which forms part of which is 15% of basic pay. So basic pay எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 3,02,500 இருக்கு இல்லையா? அதுல 15%. 45,375 வருது. அப்போ what is basic plus DA? 347,875. Employer contribution to recognized provident fund in excess of 12%. He is supposed to contribute only 12%, but they contribute 18%. 6% extra contribute பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And the 6% will be taxed as salary income. So 347,875 is the basic plus DA. அதுல 6% excess இருக்கிறது will be taxed as salary income, which is 20,873. Bonus is given in the problem as bonus equivalent to 1.5 months basic pay end of the year. So end of the year is basic pay was 27,500 into 1.5 months, you'll get 41,250. Then everything else is perquisite. First, rent-free accommodation. It is not owned by employer, it is taken on rent by the employer. You have to calculate 15% of salary or rent paid, whichever is lower. For the purpose of this, what is salary? Basic plus DA forming part of salary. Basic plus DA, FP forming part of salary plus bonus. Bonus also should be considered for this purpose. That is 41,250. So total is 389,125. So this is the salary for the purpose of rent-free accommodation. On this we should apply 15%. So 389,125 la 15% apply பண்ணுங்க. That comes to 58,369 rounded off. Whereas rent paid is 15,000 a month, so it's 1,80,000. Whichever lower is taxable, 58,369. Medical expense reimbursement, because it is done in a private hospital, not hospital owned by the company, therefore it is fully taxable. Reimbursement housekeeper salary. Housekeeper is engaged by the employee. It is taxable whether you are specified or non-specified employee. 2,000 a month, yeah? That means you have to multiply by 12 months. So that is 24,000. Telephone allowance. It is assumed to be for fully official purpose. Nothing is taxable. Nil. Gift voucher is less than 5,000 for the year. Nothing is taxable. If medical insurance paid by employer, that is also not a taxable purpose, nothing is taxable. Motor car is provided, but this is taxable only if you are a specified employee. Yes, he is a specified employee, no doubt, because his basic itself is more than 3 lakh. It will be definitely more than 50,000 mandro. Adnala it is taxable. How? Expense incurred by employer is 36,600. Is using it for both official and personal purpose. Engine capacity is less than 1,600 cc. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? Expense incurred employer minus 1,800 into 12. It comes to 21,600. Minus panna balance is the taxable purpose. Free lunch during office hours, total amount 2,200 தான் வருது வருஷத்துக்கு. அப்ப if the working days is 300 days in a year, இல்ல நீங்க 200 days கூட எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அப்படி எப்படி எடுத்தாலும் 50 per meal வரல. So therefore it is less than 50 per meal, nothing is taxable. Now you have to add everything. From here, basic plus DA plus all this if you add, you will get the gross salary. Gross salary கிடைக்கிறது 547,366. Deductions, only standard deduction is available. Profession tax, no information. EA is available only for government employee. So therefore the total deduction is 50,000 rupees. Hence the taxable salary will be 547 minus 50, 497,366. That is the answer.
Sir, அவங்க 18% எம்ப்ளாயும் இது பண்றாங்கல்ல சார், பிஎஃப் க்கு கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்றாங்கல்ல சார், அது நம்ம டிடெக்ட் பண்ணனும்ல சார்?
எங்க டிடெக்ட் பண்ணனும்?
அது एक्चुअली ஐடிசி சாப்டர் 6A ல டிடெக்ட் பண்ணுவோம் சார்.
6A ன்றது கிடையாது. you are talking about taxable salary தான். क्वेश्चन என்ன? calculate gross total income ஆ salary income ஆ? புரியுதா?
ஓகே.
Question is to find the salary income only. Salary income ல அந்த contribution எல்லாம் மைனஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. total income ல தான் contribution to PF எல்லாம் மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay?
Okay sir.
Right. Whereas if the employer contributes more than 12%, 6% extra contribute பண்றார் இல்லையா?
sir.
That will be taken as salary income. But that will not be considered for the purpose of rent-free accommodation. அது எடுத்துக்கூடாது.
sir.
Okay. So this is how solution வரணும் உங்களுக்கு. So நீங்க வேற ஏதாவது ஆன்சர் வந்திருந்ததுன்னா you'll have to change the answer. சிதம்பரம்